Hey you guys, I wanted to share with you today's deals on our site, mybjswholesale.com. So I just want to show you, if you go to our homepage, this is what you see is the latest deals. And yes, this is on desktop. If it's on mobile, it'll just be scrunched a little bit more. And then down below, we have our blog post. So if you want to go straight to the coupon deals, you can type in mybjswholesale.com/coupons or hit latest deals in the menu. And then it'll go like this. If you hit this top, it's going to take you to the breakdown of the post. So sometimes that's helpful because, for example, this one is showing you that you're using two BJ's coupons and a manufacturer coupon. When you click that title, then it takes you straight to the BJ's site where you can choose free pickup, you can clip your coupons if available. And remember, you can take your manufacturer coupons into BJ's if you do pickup and get reimbursed for that. And then we show you the final price or the breakdown per bottle. So hopefully that's helpful. And if you keep on scrolling down, we just have a few more things. And we also have some other deals if you want to just check out deals straight on that page like that. So let's just go through quickly some of the deals that we have this week. There's some nice coupon stacks. Love Beauty and Planet is a new one. This dry shampoo is just a discount on at BJ's. Here's a coupon stack. Oh my gosh, that one is a really good. That organic powder craft singles is a rare coupon stack. The DiGiorno I wanted to show you because it's got a little bit of a different breakdown. You'll see an Ibotta offer. So we do Ibotta offers. If you're not joining Ibotta, you can click that link to sign up and join our team, and it shows you the final price. Now with Ibotta, you scan your receipt after you pay, so you get that money back into your account. Also, if you click that red activate deal on any of these, that will take you straight to the BJ's site. So if you don't want to mess around with coupon clipping, you can do that and clip the BJ's coupons, but sometimes some of them are manufacturer coupons. Then you'll see that some are clearance. And we also, on this page, it's nice because it'll show you this is expiring in 5 days. It'll say clearance we try to put in there. So just some handy little tips to show you before you even have to waste your time clicking into the post. Look at these coupon stacks, you guys. There's some really nice deals. If you want to be a Sam's Club member, this is the membership to get the $45, get $45 back. Here's some more clearance that Taylor posted. If you're new around here, Taylor and I are brother and sister, and we share deals on this site. We also have a Costco blog called mywholesalife.com. I wanted to show you this clearance one because I try to put some TikTok videos in here as well. If you are on TikTok, you can follow us. I'm not sure why the page isn't loading. Well, anyway, we're at My Wholesale Life on TikTok. I'm also on the Frugal Farm Girl on TikTok if you want to save money. Here's just some more deals, you guys, so you can just keep scrolling and check out the deals this way. I also share an email weekly of a roundup of some of the best deals, but I don't include all of these. So the best bet is to get in the habit weekly, daily, to go to mybjswholesale.com/coupons or hit the latest deals in the menu, you guys. We thank you for checking out our blog. Thank you so much. Look at all these deals. The Airwick one is still good. The Snuggle one is, oh, there's such good laundry. Right now, grab your laundry at BJ's, you guys. This is the time to stock up. Yeah, look at all these. Pampers, 7th generation. The Costco membership is a pretty good deal. We've got the Valentine's candy. I believe that Instacart coupon has expired now. So yeah, I hope that you guys find this helpful. If you are new here, leave a comment. We're going to try to do some more YouTube videos, and be sure to check out our blog and share any clearance deals that you guys have. I still have some time left here. So we do roundups of printable coupons, just things at the top. We always have a $25 BJ's membership deal on our site. Here's a new blog post we did today, 10 amazing items under $10 at BJ's. And oh, this is a good one. These 5 items are shocking that it saves my family over $400 a year if I bought it at Tops or a local grocery store. That's a very interesting one to compare.